Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure Premium specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. There's a lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. You'll also get rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car has the top of the range 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 12,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.